we go. The Zero. Did a bit of a test flight. Seems to go alright. Go again. It's going from here though. Alright. Going this way. Very windy, but she's up. Yep, she's an easy flyer, that's for sure. There we go. Ooh. She's so light, it just takes off beautifully. And it takes it off the wind. What a beautiful flyer this thing is. That's a beautiful flight here. Get into the wind. Beautiful. Turn it around into the wind and she just floats. Beautiful flyer, absolutely beautiful. Have to fly a bit into the wind here. Let's get some height up. Definitely a lot more authority than the Rise that I've been flying the last couple of days. Oh, there we go, beautiful. Beautiful. The wind is definitely going this way, so that would be our landing approach. It's actually a very good, nice approach for this area. Let's change the direction. Let's go the other way. Nice low pass there. Beautiful thing to fly. I love this thing. Stable as. Let's get some height. There you go, upside down, not bad. Wow, this thing just has so much control. The authority is just beautiful. This thing just floats. Alright, let's do stall test. Let's see, face it into the wind. Cut the power. Pull up. Oh, beautiful. Doesn't drop a wing at all. It's just absolutely glorious thing to fly. Awesome. Nice loop. Nice little barrel roll there. Nice little loop there, power loop, beautiful. Barrel roll, let's get it back. Definitely getting more comfortable. Wow, thing just does whatever you ask it for. It's beautiful, this thing. Just beautiful. Even without the rudder, it's pretty good. It's nice. I'm just gotta make sure. Oh, there's a timer. Let's get a bit more throttle in. I reckon we've got some time still. It's crabbing from the wind. Go around. Wow, this thing can just do anything I want it to do. What a great little warbird. That wind gust is definitely getting in. Go. Need some power. That wind gust is really getting onto me. Let's go the other way. Face it into the wind. Glide it in. Get some air. Beautiful. This thing is just beautiful. Gust. We're having to put in a bit of power input now, so might be getting ready for that second battery. Oh, that gust. I have no rudder. I keep trying to put inputs, but alright, get out of those power lines. Alright, let's go for an approach for a landing. Right, we're going to land it in that grass patch over there. Let's go over this side. Alright, slow it right down now. Nah, too high. Need to get down a little bit lower. Let's do one final approach. Beautiful. Cool. Well, that was the A6M2 Zero. That was beautiful. Love it. Absolutely love it. Thing has so much authority. Just flew beautifully. I think I'm definitely going to print another one of these. These are just awesome. My little things disappeared, but yes, very nice.